All right. Welcome back. Just going to make a quick video about EU and DXY and gold here. And also some of these pairs, but mainly EU, DXY, and gold, right? So yesterday was crazy day, crazy day. Even today's crazy day. I'm not gonna lie. Um. Fuck. Let me see. Oh, one day right there. I don't know. One day for each 1 hour. Okay, perfect. So what do we have right there? So on the daily time frame, we know that EU, in terms of structure wise, yesterday before the news, before FOMC, was why did I delete this? Was this high right there? So strong high 4 hour, which right now has been taken out, making it a change price of 4 each, right? Making this one a week low daily, right? So before the news, we were looking for sells around here to the downside. Target at least this one, right? On the 1H, this was how structure was looking like. So we are going up, right? Up low, up low, up, and then no, sorry. Up low, up low, up, and then we're having this small accumulation right there, just like this one and this one, low, up, and then we took it out. So it was normal for us to be looking for sales right here to the downside, right? And price did it. So after that, we were looking for continuation, which is sales from here to the downside, right? But yeah, news just happened. News came in, and it just swept us out from these levels. Went up, took out this high, but we all knew that this one was also a scenario too. It happened real quick, and after that, it just dropped like 70 pips on us to the downside, right? And came to our targeted area. Right? Even more, 120 pips. Like what the heck? In one day, in like 4 hours or something like that. So after that it came right here, and yesterday we closed like this. So we closed like this, right? This candle means rejection candle, which means the next day we will be likely coming down to take out this low, right? And it happens so fast. I'm not gonna lie. Like I woke up and I saw price has already done that move even during each session. Like what the heck? Price has already done that move. It reacted from this POI breaker right there. POI 1HBB, and then from there just drop like that, right? And this move I didn't expect it. Like I already sent it out to you guys that we will be looking for sort around here to the downside when price comes there, right? But we saw the price literally did that during each session, right? And just came down, and then after that it just went straight to the upside. So if you look at this structure right now, we see that price after taking out this high, it has come to the 50% level, right? It has come to the 50% level, which is right there, right? Making this one week high 4H, and then this one a week low 4H, because the 50% level has already been hit, so price can literally start pushing to the upside, which I really don't like, because the structure is just shit price action, man. Like that's why I told you guys last week that this week will just be a tricky, confusing week, based off of how last week's candle closed, right? We saw that coming last week. I mean, based on how that weekly candle was closed last week, right? And these type of market conditions, I really don't like them. I really don't like them, and that's the reason why I told you guys last week that the trade activity of this week will be a little bit less compared to all of the other weeks. And that's what's happening. I mean, that's the reason. I mean, this is the reason why I said that, because yeah, it's just shit price action, right? It's shit price action. Like something. I mean, it's something happens that you didn't even type of expect it to happen, right? It just happened out of nowhere, and then shit. But yeah, anyways, price didn't really come to this daily fair value gap, right? It didn't really come there. I think, oh, it came inside of it. Like, what the actual heck, man? Right there. Right. It didn't even give us time like to get into position or like nah. And like for me personally, like after that, news FOMC news happened, I just closed my PC because I was done for the day. Because yeah, there's no position for me to take an Asia session. I just didn't want to take any buys around these levels. So we closed around here, right? I didn't like the idea of trying to buy to the outside and then sell it to the downside, right? I didn't like it, so I just didn't trade the Asia session. And then we saw this major drop and now push up, right? So with this move right now, I mean, I'm just going to wait and see how the week close. But price has already tapped this daily fair value gap right there, right? And you have come into the 50% of this whole range, which means I'm not expecting price to come down low again, which means if anything is going to happen, I'm expecting more buys to the upside to target this high right there, right? If we close today above this low, right? Previous day's low. If we close today above this low, then going to next week and today, I mean tomorrow, I'll be looking for something like this to the upside, right? So today personally for me, I'm not going to be anticipating any move again. I'm not going to be trading for today or even for the week, I think, because price action is just shit, man. Like, you can't do anything about it, right? You can't do anything about it. Like technicals will never I mean technicals cannot will never predict this move to the upside. Like there's the POI right there, right? If you were to sell right here and even put your stop loss right there, your prop firm, they will the spread will not allow you to hold this trade. It will take you out before dropping to the downside. So yeah, even on gold, like yesterday, this move, like technicals will never predict that gold is going to go there. Like we predicted it that it's going to fall from here to the downside. It did, right? And then after that, it went straight to the outside, take us out, and then from there it just dropped. So this move, nobody's going to prepare you for it, right? Yeah, that's it for EU. Like I said, next move that I'm personally like looking at is if you can get something like this happen, right? Then we can start to push it upside again. Yeah, that's what I'm personally like looking at. This Asia low, if it somehow gets taken out, then it's by a miracle. But I don't see it getting taken out. I don't see it. I mean, yeah, this week's price action is just shit price action. I'm not gonna lie. So that's it for EU DXY. DXY looking at how daily form, right? This is what we're looking for, right? We're looking for that news. We're looking for it to kind of push from here yesterday to the upside to come right here, and then from there drop to the downside. But it dropped first after that's come up again, and right now we are just looking. I mean, price looks to be sufficient right here. We went into this fair value gap, right? This breaker right there. So right now we can be looking for sell straight from here back to the downside again. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, that's it for DXY and EU and gold too. Gold is much more correlated with EU. And yesterday's trade, I took this gold trade. I took this what I traded gold EU right here. I took this trade yeah, something like this. This was my trade idea. Yeah, it was a 3-hour trade. Yeah, and it came low, and during that news, right, we saw EU really flying to the upside. We saw gold also flying to the upside and stuff like that. But this one wasn't really flying up like that. Like it was just kind of quick move, and then it came down. It came down, right, and then after that it just went up again. So I was able to get out as fast as possible from this one and not losing a full 1 hour on that trade. So yeah, but on gold here just went straight to the upside. On EU just went straight to the upside. Like it's shitty price action. No lie. So yeah, that's pretty much it. EJ just came straight to the downside. Like we we analyzed, right? We said the price was going to either push from this, you know, structure low, right, push high, or after this low is gets taken out, we get to pull back to the 70% level, and then from there we get to sell it to the downside. And like we see 7% right there, we sell it to the downside. The target this liquidity low, right? So right now what I'm expecting next is just a push up and then continuation drop. That's what I'm expecting. Okay. Pound card also seems to be doing this thing. Leave this one be. Euro card, let me check that one. Euro card looks to be coming down. I like this one. We talked about this one yesterday too. Sells around is similar to EU, and like I said, if you were to use this one to trade, if you were to trade on this one, all right, either sells from here, or if you use this one, the 3 hour, you know, kind of SL and stuff like that, then you still be in the trade, and we see EU, you know, went up and take us out. That's why I was saying that Eurocard was much better to sell instead of EU. Eurocard structure seems intact and seems to be coming down. And if Eurocard is to be coming down, let's say if Eurocard give us this move to the downside, then we'll be getting maybe card move to the downside. And this time it will not correlate with EU, but to correlate with CAD, right? So yeah, I mean, and if CAD is to come down, then DXY is to come down too. So yeah, I mean, this market's crazy. These days it's been crazy. So if you're entering into any position, just, you know, be careful about it. Yeah, because these last few weeks, you know, I mean, price action has been very, very difficult. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. If someone tells you that this last few weeks has been easy, then that person's lying. Like, it has been very, very difficult. So it's not only you guys that are feeling the effects, but I'm also feeling the effects too. It's just that I'm not feeling it that heavy because I'm using lower rates, like 0.25%, right? And I'm managing my trades very, very well. So yeah, that's the only thing that's keeping me in this game, right? So I hope you guys are all doing well. Yeah, and yeah, I think that will be all. I'll be making a separate video about, you know, risk management, and then I'll send it to you guys too. But I think that will be all for now. Just trade with care and don't really predict that much. Just follow structure, okay? I mean, there's no structure right now, but still try to follow something and not blindly entering into positions. For now, that will be all. I'll see you guys later. Bye.